You found a grant that could actually change things for your business. No loan to pay back, no equity to give up, just real money to put to work. So you sit down to write the proposal, and suddenly you're staring at a blank page. Most small business owners either give up or submit something so generic it never stands a chance. But there's a better way, and AI tools are making it more accessible if you use them right. Here's what most people get wrong. They open ChatGPT before confirming they qualify for the grant. That's backwards. No AI tool can make a bad fit look like a good one. Before you write anything, spend 30 minutes with the actual application guidelines. Read the eligibility requirements line by line. Many grants are restricted by industry, location, how long you've been in business, revenue, or ownership demographics. Good places to search are grants.gov, your state's Economic Development Office, the SBA website, and local community foundations. If you're woman-owned, veteran-owned, or minority-owned, check programs like the Amber Grant or Hello Alice. Once you've found a genuine fit, download the full guidelines. That's your blueprint. Now here's where AI becomes useful. Feed it the right information. Pull together key facts about your business in one place. Name, location, how long you've been operating, what you do, employees, the amount you're requesting, and exactly what you'd spend it on. Add real results you've achieved, then copy the grant's stated goals directly from the guidelines and paste all of it into your AI chat as context before asking it to write anything. Vague prompts produce generic text. A good prompt tells the AI which grant you're applying for, shares your business context, and asks for help with a specific section, say, the executive summary, in plain language, focused on alignment with one grant goal. Most applications share the same structure. Write the executive summary last. After the rest is done, ask AI to summarize your project in 200 to 300 words, lead with impact, and end with your funding ask. Then rewrite the opening sentence yourself. Make it sound like you. For the problem statement, AI can help find publicly available data, but verify every statistic. AI sometimes generates credible-sounding citations that are wrong or made up. Always trace numbers back to their source. For the project description, jot down your plan in bullet points first, then ask AI to turn those into clear paragraphs with timeline and outcomes. The budget narrative is another place AI helps. Give it your breakdown and ask it to explain each expense. Once you have a draft, read it out loud. Anywhere you cringe, rewrite it. Grant reviewers notice hollow phrases like holistic approach or leverage synergies. Replace vague language with specifics only you know. Instead of underrepresented communities, write 341st generation immigrant families in Columbus, Ohio since 2021. Here's the honest limitation. AI cannot win you the grant. It can structure your thoughts, fill sections faster, and polish language. But if your business lacks a compelling story, real results, or genuine fit, no polish will change that. The human work is still most important. Before submitting, check your draft against every requirement one final time. Word count. All questions answered. Required attachments included. You can even use AI for this compliance check. Paste the requirements and ask if your proposal addresses everything. So if you started today staring at a blank page, that's exactly the problem AI solves. Not by writing the grant for you, but by getting you from nothing to a solid working draft fast enough that you actually finish and submit it. That alone puts you ahead of most small business owners who find the right grant, feel overwhelmed, and never apply.